Welcome to Plenty of Vino. We are uber excited. Amy Anderson from Bluff Park came by and executed our vision on the window. So exciting. Still kind of messy, but we're going to bring you inside and take a sneak peek at what you will see when you come into the store for our grand opening on the 10th. We've got wine, live plants, and lots of decor from which to choose. We hope you will come and join us as we embark upon this journey as a small local business in between two major stores. There's lots of goodies. Grand opening is at 10 a.m. on July 10th. So after you get done with the weekend of barbecue and fun, we look forward to seeing you at Plenty of Vino, right next door to Home Goods on Highway 31 and Nail Star. Shop small.